Welcome to my channel. Let me ask you something. Why are you still afraid to speak English? Why do your words stop when you try? What is really holding you back? Is it fear or your mindset? Think honestly. This story will answer everything. Meet Hassan, an 18-year-old boy with a big dream. He wanted to speak English confidently and become a content creator. But there was one problem. He was scared of his own voice. Every time he tried to speak, his mind froze. His heart beat fast. His words disappeared. People around him spoke easily, but Hassan stayed silent. In school, he avoided speaking. At home, he stayed quiet. Inside, he felt weak and lost. One day, his teacher asked him to speak one simple sentence. Just one. But Hassan failed. The class laughed loudly. That moment broke him deeply. He went home and locked his door. He looked in the mirror and said, "Why can't I do this?" He felt angry. He felt hopeless. But deep inside, a small voice said, "Try again." That night, something changed. Instead of quitting, Hassan made a decision. He said, "I will find a way." The next day, he searched online. He found a simple idea. Speak daily, no matter what. It looked easy, but it felt impossible. Still, he decided to start. That small decision became the beginning of his powerful transformation journey. Chapter 2, Hassan started his journey with fear in his heart. On day 1, he stood in front of a mirror. His hands were shaking badly. He tried to speak, but his voice was weak and broken. He said one sentence, then stopped. It felt embarrassing, but he remembered his promise. No matter what, he would continue. Day 2 was not better. He forgot words again. He made silly mistakes. He felt stupid and frustrated, but something inside him pushed him forward. On day 3, he tried something new. He recorded his voice. When he listened, he felt uncomfortable. He did not like his voice at all. He wanted to delete it. But he stopped himself. He said, "This is my starting point." That moment was powerful. A few days later, he found a video by a mentor named Sir Adil. His words were simple but strong. Fluency is not magic. It is repetition. Hassan listened carefully. He followed his advice seriously. Speak daily, listen daily, repeat daily. Hassan created a routine, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes listening, every single day. His mother noticed him talking alone. She smiled and said, "Keep going." Those words gave him strength. Slowly, Hassan started improving, not big changes, just small progress every day. But those small steps built something strong inside him. He was still afraid, but now he was moving forward with courage. Chapter 3. By the second week, Hassan felt a little better than before. His sentences were still not perfect, but they were clearer. Still, life tested him again. One day, his friend asked him to speak in English. Hassan tried his best, but he made mistakes again. His friend laughed loudly. That laugh hurt deeply. Old fears returned quickly. Hassan felt broken again inside. That night, he sat quietly in his room. He thought about quitting everything. He asked himself, "What is the point of trying?" But then he remembered his journey. He remembered his promise to himself. He opened his notebook and wrote one strong sentence: "I will not quit." The next day, he went back to practice again. This time, he tried speaking outside. He spoke while walking slowly. He spoke in empty places. It felt strange at first, but it helped him. One evening, he joined an online group. People from different countries were speaking English there. He was scared to join, but he tried bravely. His first conversation was not perfect. He made many mistakes. But something surprising happened. No one laughed at him. People listened carefully. People helped him kindly. That moment changed his mindset forever. He realized something important. Fear lives in your mind, not in reality. From that day, Hassan became more active and confident. He spoke more, he listened more, he improved slowly. Chapter 4. After 1 month, Hassan saw real change in himself. His sentences became clearer and stronger. His fear became smaller day by day. But now, a bigger challenge appeared in his life. His college announced a speaking competition. The topic was simple but deep. My biggest fear. Hassan felt nervous immediately. This was his biggest test. He wanted to join, but fear whispered again, "You will fail." For a moment, he believed it, but then he remembered Sir Adil's words clearly. Growth begins where fear lives. Hassan took a deep breath and decided to try. He wrote his speech carefully. Simple words, real emotions, honest story. He practiced every single day, again and again without stopping. Some days were good. Some days were very bad. He forgot lines. He felt frustrated and tired. But he continued anyway. The competition day finally arrived. His heart was racing fast. His name was called loudly. He walked to the stage slowly. His legs felt weak and heavy, but he stood there bravely. He took a deep breath again. Then he started speaking. My biggest fear was speaking. His voice shook at first, but he continued, line by line, word by word. He made mistakes, but he did not stop. When he finished, something powerful happened. The audience clapped loudly. Real respect, real appreciation. Hassan smiled with confidence. Chapter 5. After that powerful day, Hassan's life started changing slowly. People began noticing him more. Some students asked him for help. Some said, "You inspired us a lot." Hassan felt proud and happy, not because he was perfect, but because he never gave up. His daily practice continued strongly. He improved his vocabulary daily. He listened to English every day. He spoke whenever he got a chance. His father, who once ignored his effort, finally said, "You have improved a lot." That one sentence meant everything to Hassan. It gave him more confidence. Hassan felt stronger than ever before. He decided to start something new. He began making simple videos. At first, they were not perfect, but they were real and honest. People connected with his journey deeply. Slowly, his audience started growing, not very fast, but meaningful and loyal. Hassan understood something important now. Growth takes time. There is no shortcut in learning. Every mistake is a lesson. Every failure is a step forward. One day, he decided to go live. No editing, no stopping, just real speaking. He was nervous again, but he did it bravely. And people listened carefully. That shy boy was now a confident speaker. His journey proved something powerful. Change is possible for everyone who tries. Chapter 6. Now, let's answer those questions from the beginning. What was holding Hassan back? Fear and overthinking. What changed him? Daily practice and strong belief. What was the real secret? Consistency without quitting. Hassan's story is simple but very powerful. He was not special. He was not perfect. He was just consistent every day. He failed many times. He felt embarrassed many times. He wanted to quit many times. But he did one thing right. He continued moving forward. That is the real method. Not magic, not talent, just daily effort and patience. If you are watching this message is for you. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop overthinking everything. Start today. Speak one simple sentence. Practice one small minute. Take one small step forward. It will feel uncomfortable at first. You will make mistakes. People may laugh at you, but Keep going anyway, because every small step builds confidence slowly. Believe in yourself. Trust your journey. Work hard every single day and never give up on your dream. One day, you will look back and smile proudly. And maybe your story will inspire someone else to start too.